Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Rajat. So in this video we will discuss about git ignore file. So as we know that there are the three types of files which are present in git. One is tracked file, another is untracked file, and third one is git ignore file. So the tracked files are those files which are present in the staging or committed area of the git, but untracked file are not present in these two area of the git. Now the third one is git ignore file. So there are some set of files which are explicitly specified to the git to the ignore these set of files. So that set of files are git ignore file. So the files which are git ignored are specifically ignored by the git. So the question arises, why I specify some set of files to ignore this, and why I require to specify some set of files as ignored file. So to answer this, let's take an example that your application is continuously running. It's creating some log files, it's creating some temporary files, it's creating some compiled file. So as you know that we do not need to track the log file, we do not need to track the compile file, and we do not need to track your temporary files or configuration file. So that's why we mark this file as a git ignored file. So that's why we require git ignored files. So now the question is how we can mark some set of files as git ignored. It's pretty simple. We need to create a special file. So the special file is .git ignore. Create this file, and in the once you have created it, specify the comment. The comment to start with hash. In the comment specify why I am ignoring this set of files. Now specify the list of files that I want to ignore it. You can specify the absolute path of the file. You can explicitly mention the set of files that you want to ignore it, or you can specify some set of regular expression to ignore some set of files. So let's take an example that I want to ignore all the set of Python compile file. So what I need to do, star.pyc. So it will ignore all my Python compiled files. So this is the pattern of git ignore file. Now we can categorize git ignore files into three types. One is shared, another is personal, and third one is global. Now the shared is the git ignore file which is present in the root of your git repository. So this is your shared, and the personal is the file which is present in .git info exclude folder or .git info exclude file. So this is your personal, and third one is global. So there is a pattern which applies to the all local repository which is present in your local machine. So this is about your global git ignore files. So that's about git ignore files. I think if you have any doubt, any concern about git ignore files, or any topics you think that it's pretty confusing about git, can you let me know? Please comment it below. So thanks for watching, and if you have liked the video, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.